Why ask me? In town. Hello everyone, Callie Stormdaw here, and we're jumping into the world of Marvel Legends. Today I have QuickSilver. Now QuickSilver, this figure is based on the QuickSilver from the Avengers movie, not the QuickSilver from Days of Future Past. So the back of the packaging says, QuickSilver's ultra speed capabilities are a major asset to the Avengers in the fight against Ultron. Well, he briefly helped it. If you've seen a movie, then you've seen a movie. Hey! So here we have QuickSilver. Now, I'm very excited to get him opened up and see all his cool accessories. And of course, here to assist me, I have his sister Polaris, who has the ability of magnetism, and his sister Scarlet Witch, who has the ability of witchcraft. So I'm going to get him all unpackaged and we're coming right back. Okay, so we have QuickSilver out of his packaging, and first I'm going to go over his accessories. He comes with these kind of like Android pieces. I'm not really sure. This is like a clunked up piece of machinery, it looks like. It looks like we have the skull of one of those robots in the movie, and then we also have an arm. I'm not sure if these actually build or connect to anything, or if it's just various pieces of debris. I'm actually not sure, but he also comes with two interchangeable hands, and they kind of have the pointing action, like they're trying to point at something. So if we look at QuickSilver, this is my first QuickSilver figure. A few years back, I was tempted to get the QuickSilver from Hot Toys, which is like a bigger version, but I did want a 6 scale version, and thank God Hasbro has provided that. So let's go over his articulation. So he has head articulation. He can actually turn all the way around. He can look this far down, and he can look this far up. He does have shoulder articulation, no butterfly joint though. He has the cut at the top of his shoulder. He does have the double bend. Now mine's is still kind of stiff, but you know, he does have that double bend. He has wrist articulation. He does have an abdomen twist right there and a little bit of a bend like that. He does have the waist twist. He can kick this far out, this far forward, and not back at all, so can't really look back. And he's flat. They give him a flatty patty. Yes, he has a thigh cut at the top. He does have the double bend in his knee. He also has the ankle rocker. Now look over these shoes. His shoes look really good. They look so cute, and I love that they even took the time to try to add the color in it like he had in the movie. He's really, really cute. And do I think his face offers the likeness? Yes. I think anyone who sees this figure by chance, and if they've seen the Avengers movie with him in it, they're going to know directly who he is. Let's see how he looks next to his film counterpart, Scarlet Witch. And they actually look pretty good together. Both of them are kind of giving me movie accurate versions of each other, which looks really good. Now, although they have never appeared on film together, this is also the TV version of their sister Polaris, and I think everyone looks really good together. And I know they're so happy that Peter's down home. Some people call him Peter, some people call him Petrol. It's really whatever tongue you want to use, you know, it's up to you. But my personal reason for collecting him was now that I have the most popular version of Magneto's kids, yay, which is Polaris, QuickSilver, and Scarlet Witch. I'm so happy. So now I have to find a decent Magneto figure, and I feel like I'll have the whole family, the family tree of 3. I want to thank you guys for watching today. Let me know what you think about these figures. Well, specifically QuickSilver. These ladies have already had their reviews. Let me know by leaving me a comment below. 1 out of 10, what would I rate this figure? I would definitely give him a cool 8. I think what would have made him a 10 out of 10 for me is if we had a little bit more articulation here and maybe a butterfly joint. I think that would have been really, really cool. But overall, I want to thank you guys for checking me out today. If you're new to my channel, simply subscribe. Always leave me a comment below. And remember, I will see you in my next video. We're dashing off to the next one. Bye!
Training alone for hours? Anything to get stronger. I will never back down again.